In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify your email domain ownership with Mailerlite. Verifying your domain in Mailerlite is an important setup task. It helps confirm that you own the domain you plan to send emails from, and it can improve trust and deliverability for your campaigns. I will walk you through the full process from the Mailerlite dashboard to confirming the verification is complete. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the page. You will see your account name there. Click your account name to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Domains. This will take you to the area where Mailerlite manages domain-related settings, including verification status. On the Domains page, find and click the Add Domain button. This begins the process of connecting and verifying the email domain you want to use. You will now see a field where Mailerlite asks for an email address. Type the email address you want to use for sending, using the domain you want to verify. For example, it should be an address on your own domain rather than a free email provider. Take a moment to double-check for typing errors, because a small mistake can prevent the confirmation email from reaching you. After you enter the email address, click Save. Mailerlite will send a confirmation email to that inbox. Now open your email inbox in a new tab or window. If you have access to multiple inboxes, make sure you are checking the one that matches the address you entered. Look for the confirmation email from Mailerlite. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder and wait a minute or two, since delivery can be slightly delayed. Once you locate the email, follow the confirmation instructions inside it to verify ownership. Finally, go back to the Domain section in Mailerlite and check the status next to your domain. When everything is done correctly, the status will show Verified, and that is all there is to it.